I am so excited. You know, I've been in woodworking for 61 years and I had to make some very big adjustments in my life. We'd never made a video before 2010 and we had never made a blog before that time either. And I had to start adopting and adapting to my new environment to keep progressing with the time. So what I want to introduce you today is something I never thought that I would accept. And this is what we have come to know as AI. Can you have AI in woodworking? I didn't think it was possible, in the same way I didn't think it was possible to teach through video. And I'm excited about this one today. I want to introduce something that you may not have thought possible in woodworking, and that is to bring in AI as an assistant. So we have Woody, who is going to join us, and what we've done, we've put together a dovetail. He's going to complete the dovetail for you, and let's see how this works. Okay, Woody, go for it. A little bit nearer. Come. Oh, now we've got it. Now hang on, we may need to tweak this. Whoa, Woody, I don't know about this. Oh, we need some minor adjustment in this. We still have to work on this. And if you want to have AI to advance your woodworking, you can go to the link below and have a look at the caption and join us, because you may want him in your workshop once we've tweaked all the details.
Help, fall, hammer.